So here we have our pink sirloin steak, got our coconut mashed potatoes, tender stem broccoli, asparagus, pumpkin, pumpkin puree, and our good old plantain crisps. So it's Sunday. We got some Sunday dinner going on here. We got some coconut milk. We're gonna make a coconut and yum with nutmeg mash. Got some tender stem broccoli. We got some asparagus. We got some lovely green plantain. We're gonna make some plantain chips out of that. Here we got a lovely piece of sirloin steak. We're just gonna pan fry that nicely, medium rare. Over here we got a lovely piece of pumpkin. We're gonna make some pumpkin puree, or we're gonna make some parmentier pumpkins. Just some square out some pumpkin, cook it out in some butter. Thyme garlic season up nicely. We're gonna use some cream and coconut milk for the mashed potatoes. Over here we have some lovely Chairman's Reserve forgotten cast. We're gonna make a lovely rum jus with that. So boom, this is what Sunday is looking like. Let me know if you're ready. So here we got our milk infusion. We got the garlic, thyme, nutmeg, mace, coconut milk, double cream in here. And over here we got our potatoes boiling with some thyme and some salt, some peppercorns and some pimento seeds. Just gonna add some butter to the milk.
had 60,000 in the stadium, and no one had a clue what was going on. Millions around the world. Very cool, wasn't it? Very cool. It was a good one. It was a good one as well. But it was a friend from him to win the player in the first place. But I think in this kind of situation about it and thinking, well, he's obviously the danger man. He's had to take a couple of tackles, and he did limp. I mean, Qatar, as you said, had one chance in that half, but it was a great chance. They were only touched in the 18-yard box, and it was the last couple of seconds, wasn't it? It was really good play. Start to take the country on another journey with us, and that's our focus now. Isn't it, when you start to look ahead at who you might play, we all do it, because you really have to focus on that next team.
Straight into some cold water. It keeps it nice and green. Straight into some cold water. Stays nice and green and crispy. Same process with the broccoli. Straight into cold water. Keeps it nice, green and crispy. So we have our lovely green asparagus and broccoli all blanched, ready to rock and roll.
It's going to be a big miss for us, but it gives us an opportunity to step up, take the jersey, and show what he can do also. Can you share who that might be? Some of the issues surrounding Qatar, is that something you felt that was important to address? Yeah, it's been difficult, hasn't it? We've been, like I just said there, we've thrown many, didn't quite get there as a player. But, so we know as a manager, as a club, and you know, what that changing room with the group of players that we've got is credit to them. You know, they felt they deserve all the plaudits they're going to get. Now we're here, Gary, we want to give a good applause.
So here we have our pumpkin shavings. We're gonna use this for the puree, and over here we got our cube. So in here we got some garlic, some shallots, quite a bit of butter. Spread out the shallots and the garlic. Now we're gonna spread out the pumpkin. Then we're gonna add a little bit of milk to it, cook it off, salt, pepper. Then we're gonna make our puree with this pumpkin puree. So now we're gonna get our pumpkin on the go. And over here we have our puree going. Nice and buttery and thick. So here we have our lovely pumpkin puree. Beautiful.
On there, and then each of these fungi pop out. When we walked over here, I actually just...
We got our pumpkin coming along nicely. See the color on that? Beautiful.
And stopped the killing.
What I can't stop thinking about is the visuals of the evening of the bodies, of blood, of the broken glass, of the carnage and the wreckage, and seeing a safe place turned into a war zone.
Police are investigating whether this was a hate crime.
Club Q is a safe haven for LGBTQ armed and treated.
The suspect was named as 22-year-old
40 degrees, and we're just gonna crisp up the plantain to get the plantain crisp going. It'll be nice and crispy. This is just a trial. You can put as many in as possible. I'm just going slowly for the first one to see if it works. 40 degrees, and we're just gonna crisp up the plantain to get the plantain crisp going. It'll be nice and crispy. This is just a trial. You can put as many in as possible. I'm just going slowly for the first one. So we got the plantain chips on the way. Isn't that beautiful? That smells good. Voila. Flambe, baby. Flambe. So we're gonna burn out the alcohol. And now we're gonna add our jus to it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Salt, pepper. Then we're gonna warm up our vegetables in here. Our asparagus and broccoli in here. Nice and easy. You're gonna have a nice buttery finish. Ready? Take it already.
To do that lovely dance in Blackpool Town, it's such a once in a lifetime thing.
So here we have our fillets.